Alright, how's it going, guys? Just here with a quick tutorial. This is going to be raw, unedited, so pardon any mistakes that I make and pardon the fans in the background. It's summer. What I'm going to show you here is how to create fill for your line work, quick and easy, that's precise, and will make coloring a lot quicker and easier. So let's just get started. I created this bottle here. It's just all stroke, as you can see. Um, and what I want to do is create these exact same shapes so I can color it. So first and foremost, what I like to do is I love to keep stroke, and during this process, we are going to expand it into shape. I like keeping the stroke so I can still manipulate it if I need to. So first thing I'm going to do is hold down Alt and drag so I can create a copy of this real quick. Just set it to the side here. I'm just going to go ahead and select it and Command G to group it. So to create the fill shapes for this, just hit M for a rectangle tool, and it's going to create a rectangle. Shift X to give it a fill. I'm just going to give it a random color here, and go back to send this to the back. And so as you can see, we have this background, which is going to become our base color for this. Okay, so this is where it kind of gets tricky. So if you need to rewind this and follow along, I'll try to go slow because it took me a while to learn. And so yeah, so what you want to do is select everything, and then you want to come up to your object and expand, and make sure fill strokes good. Hit OK, and then come over here to your Pathfinder, find merge. You want to merge these objects together. So now you have all these objects merged together. It's cleaned up all your line work and stuff. So now you can come in with your direct select tool, which is A. Click on the outside outline, hit delete, and now it's going to give you your fill. One thing you want to make sure with this technique is that everything is closed, that you want to have its own shape. As you can see up here, I have some openings on this cork. I believe these corners here are open too. They're not touching on a path, but that's okay because this is just more to define the line than it is to actually separate color. Okay, so now what I like to do, so I'm going to make a new layer down here. Sorry for that pop-up. I'm going to select all of this again, and then I'm going to go to isolate selected group, and it's going to bring us in isolation mode. Grab the magic wand tool, and what I like about Illustrator magic wand tool is whatever you select, it's going to select everything of that same color. So I'm going to select my outline, my line work, and then I'm going to exit isolation mode, and everything that's selected, I'm come over here. As you can see in your layers, there's what's selected. It's going to show up with this little dot next to your layer. You can grab that and actually drag it up to another layer, and that's going to move your selection up a layer. So now when I close this, you can see everything is cut out into its precise shape from your stroke. I'm just going to lock that layer real quick because, like I said, I don't like using expanded shape. I'm going to keep my stroke here, and now it's on the lock layer. So unlock it. I'm just going to drag this over here to line this up. Here we go. And once again, drag this up to the next layer, lock it, go back down to the layer. Everything's grouped, so you're going to want to ungroup it. And now you can just select these shapes and fill them with whatever color you want to make them. Real quick and easy. And yeah, so I really hope this technique will help you out. Once you get the hang of it, it's going to make your process that much faster. And you know, ask me if you ever need any help with Illustrator. You can find me on Facebook at GE Robinson Art. Send me a message. I try to get back to you as quickly as I can. Um, so yeah, thanks.